Did you know that every thought has a form and color? Whatever we think goes and creates a certain energy around us. So imagine if a thought is of purity or peace or prayer or sharing or service or anything as amazing as this is going to be really colorful and positive, and everyone feels good in this presence. But when we have the opposite, that can really, if it is of any ill will or jealousy or hatred or suffering or different feelings like this, how long are we going to dwell in this? So today I'm teaching you simple techniques to shift from anxiety. I call it the ABC. That is from anxiety to right breathing to calmness. So this is actually a series which will start, and today I'm showing you how do people who are actually, like a 15-year-old girl who has no experience of travel. This was actually in Delhi. Her father was a rickshaw driver who met with an accident, and he had no earnings anymore, and the mother and the child went to see the father, and the mother came back to the village, and believe it or not, this young girl cycled, because her father had this accident, from almost 1500 kilometers, keeping him behind till she reached the village. So immense strength can come from extraordinary sources if you're ready. I know Juliet, who went here from India, from Goa, which was a safe place for the corona, no corona, to back to London, because she had huge wings and feet when she went there, because she loved her parents and she loves them and they want to be there for each other. How amazing are these incredible stories of where suddenly you get immense strength because you love someone and you want to give them your best. So this anxiety does not belong to us. All these little thoughts are affecting, we are the script writers of our destiny. So there are some simple breathing techniques which I will show you. So just close your eyes and then inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And what you can do also is do equal breathing. When you inhale, do an equal amount of breathing in and an equal amount of breathing out. And the second type of breathing is to inhale through the nose and then keep the mouth like an oval and breathe loudly, letting out all the stress. And as you exhale, you can say the word calm, you can say the word joy, you can say healed, you can say bliss, whatever, one little short powerful positive word as you exhale outside. And the other way is also to, when you're sitting down, keep your legs crossed and then keep your hands crossed like this, and this will also calm you down instantly. And then we have a certain breathing technique which is a Vietnamese ancient breathing technique which is super powerful. So all of these things are there only to give us more and more strength. So what you can do is you close your eyes, become aware of the breathing process just coming in and going out. As you breathe in, you say to yourself, I'm aware of the breath going in. As you breathe out, you say to yourself, I'm aware that the breath is coming out. And repeat this 5 times, just saying the word in and out. So 5 times you will do this. And as you inhale, you will say to yourself, I'm aware that the breath is becoming deep. And as you exhale, you will say to yourself, I'm aware that the breath is becoming slow. When you inhale, just say the word deep. When you exhale, just say the word slow. So these are the 2 words you will say 5 times. And then next time as you inhale, you say, I'm aware of the present moment as I breathe in. And when you exhale, say to yourself, I know that this moment is perfect. And then as you inhale, you will say the word present. As you exhale, you will say the word perfect. And this again you will do it 5 times. And then you can similarly, you repeat the word calm as you inhale. and then the word relax as you exhale. So do this 5 times. And as you keep doing simple practices like this, really you will relax a lot. And the other thing is also to keep your one hand on your heart, one on your belly below your ribs. And then watch the breath. Let your mouth always open when you're breathing, so you experience the full abdominal breathing, and then you relax completely. So many of us forget to breathe in the busyness of life. What are the herbs which can help us? Tulsi, Ashwagandha and Brahmi are 3 incredible Ayurvedic herbs, and there are many more we will come to later. So there was a story of a professor in a college who was actually living in this town, and then there was this rabbi who was teaching the Torah to a group of Jewish students. And then he said, who is most evolved? The one who smiles in spite of the most difficult of difficulties coming in front of him, the one who maintains this equanimity. So this is the most evolved person. So then one of the young students asked, so how is it possible to smile when you have the most difficult of difficulties in front of you? And guess what he said? He was such an honest man. He said, I don't know it myself. This is the address of this man. When he was born, within a week's time, he became an orphan, and then he met with an accident. Events happened to his leg. So it was a series of disasters which happened to this man who lived at that address. So when the young students went and they knocked on his door, this man opened the door smiling and said, you know, what are you here for? Who are you? And then they told him the story of the rabbi who sent them to meet this man who had had so many difficulties. And guess what this man told him? You must be at the wrong address, because I'm 73, and in all these 73 years, I never had any difficulties. God has been with me all the time, and I have been completely peaceful in the knowing that everything has been for my good. This is the professor and the truth and the secret of letting go of all anxiety. No matter what difficulty comes, remember it's here only to make you stronger. Whoever seems to be a villain in your life who's troubling you, they're here only to make you stronger. It's like gold going through fire to come out shining, like a piece of coal which goes through high temperatures to come out as a diamond. So start shining your brightest and really forget about anxiety. Everything will be only peace and calm and beauty in your life, because you deserve it more than anyone else. With love to all of you around the world. Thank you so much.